morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today is 9th September 2025. We're loading 2 units of our flight die animal feed pellet machine to Europe. As you can see, this is a complete unit of our flight die pellet machines. As our customer required, this pellet machine with 11 kilowatt electric motor, and the pellet machine capacity 300 to 400 kilograms per hour. And customer will use corn and wheat as raw material to make a 4 millimeters animal feed pellet. And this complete unit of pellet machine include the main machine with 11 kilowatt electric motor, and the electric control panel with the start and stop buttons, and also the emergency stop button for the electric panel for safety using. Except these 2 machines, we also send those accessories with the pellet machines together. The company bags, the other company catalogs, the menu book for the pellet machine, the gift for our clients. Okay, everyone. If you like our fly die type animal feed pellet machine, you can send your inquiry to Longze team, and we'll give you the best service. Okay, that's all for today introduction for the 2 fly die pellet machines. Welcome to Longze machine. I will see you next time. Bye bye.